YouTube, Jamie Budder here. Just a slightly different video today. The video in the background you're seeing is me playing a game of COD 4 on the PC. I'm not a big PC player, don't even particularly play COD 4 much, but it's just a different background because quite a lot sometimes it'd be Minecraft or randomness. So today's just COD 4. I'm not that good, don't expect an incredible gameplay, but I don't know, it's an information video, but people say it's good to have a moving background. If you wonder who's laughing, it's no surprise, it's Anthony. Go on, say hello.
It's Furball here, Hungo Furball, Anthony Henson on YouTube, produced.
So what we're talking about today is a couple of things. We've with our hosting company. Go on, you explain. It's just easier.
Basically, I don't know what you want me to explain. What
like
we're doing.
The fact we've now got big dedicateds and with 16 gig of RAM and whatnot.
Yeah. Basically, now what we can offer, what we are doing is we are now selling actual dedicated servers. Which, if you don't know what a dedicated server is, then this video probably wouldn't regard to you. But because if you're looking for a dedicated server, you should know what it is. Our dedicateds are running. One of our packages, at least, is pretty good. It's 16 gigs of RAM, 120 gig SSD, E3 1240 processor. Really good. It's in a data center. Think of your choosing. I'm not 100% sure on that because I would have to get in contact with our partner for that. But yeah, it's basically for all your needs and whatnot. We do have multiple dedicated packages that are going to be available, but at the moment we're only offering a couple or a few of them, whatnot. So if you basically have a custom order or whatnot, just go ahead and write to either Jamie Buddha at Mastercrafters Hosting or Hungover Furball. Obviously, if you write to him, he'll forward it to me because I'm the one who would do all that stuff.
Yeah, you're the one who actually orders it, aren't you?
And also, our Minecraft servers will be getting a big improvement because if you've had a host on us before, you know the connection isn't up 100% of the time. It isn't the greatest 100% of the time. But now that we do have about 10 times better machines that we're going to be putting people on, our hosting will be a lot better. But at that will mean a little bit of a price increase. So if you come to our site now, like literally when this video is posted, we should still offer cheaper prices, but we will be increasing them slightly just due to the fact that these machines cost a lot more.
Yeah, a hell of a lot more. I mean, our costs a month after we've had all of our payments in is going to be $280 a month, which is a lot of money. So we either need more donations or we need more people to come and actually buy servers from us for their own hosting. Like I don't know if you stated it, but we start at like really small ones, our small actual VPSs, which are like basically servers if you want you and a couple of mates to play on, and you basically just have some fun like that.
The VPSs, the really cheap VPSs that we'll offer, which is going to be your basic package, you don't really get much with them, and you're gonna get more like a 95% uptime rather than a 99 to 100 with our higher end packages, just because they are cheaper. They're just plain and simple cheaper machines, so they're not really that reliable.
But the idea of them is it's not for you to host a 50-person Minecraft server. It's for you to just play with a couple of your mates. Yeah.
Yeah. Something that you want up 24/7. You don't need to have with 30, 40 people from your school or something like that, because it just wouldn't handle that.
Because I remember when back in the day when Yogcast started doing the Survival Island, I know I played it with a couple of my mates, but the problem was if we were playing off my machine. Obviously, I'd turn my machine off in the evening. If my mates came on after school or whatever, and they wanted to play, they couldn't. So for like literally this being like what's our cheapest one? Like $7 a month, $8 a month or something.
At the moment, yeah.
Yeah, at the moment, and that's all you'd have to pay for a whole month. So if that's $8 a month, that's $2 a week. So that's 2/5 of a dollar a day. So that's 40 cents a day just to host a Minecraft server that's 24/7 all day. So if you come on from school or whatever you are, work from any time, and you and your mates want to go and play on it, you can, because it will be up, if that makes any sense. Like, you won't have to worry about someone turning on their computer and stuff like that.
Yeah, and really fast, we've been getting this so much. Why do you have to pay for a server? Servers, when someone is running a server, it's not being run off their computer 90% of the time. Like Mastercrafters, it ain't run off me or Jamie's computer. It's run off a dedicated server in a data center. So when you try and say, oh, you shouldn't be charging for servers, actually, yeah, we should, because we have monthly fees to keep that machine running, because that machine isn't in me or Jamie's house. That's in a data center. So
well, just Mastercrafters itself costs us $140 a month. Now, the way we pay for that is out of donations from you lot on the server. Now, obviously, we don't expect you lot just to come and donate and then just like, get nothing from it. So we offer like ranks within the actual server. So we
Mm-hmm.
offer ranks ranging from sort of like what's the like a donator to supporter, all the way up to like the master rank.
Which is higher than admin.
Yeah, which is higher than admin. Now, I know I've done a rank video before. I'm not going to explain what every rank
Yeah.
is, but for people who come on the server like, oh, well, what do I get if I donate this? What do I get if I donate that? If I'm on at the time and I have time to talk to you, then I'll talk to you and I'll tell you what you get and whatnot. But quite a lot of the time, I'm going to be busy, so you are going to have to go on mine or Anthony's YouTube and watch our actual rank video, which is an in-depth explanation on the actual ranks themselves.
Every rank.
Now, once we get this month's covered, basically what we're doing at the moment is we've reduced our prices by quite a bit. Admin literally at the moment is only $35. But one of the reasons why we reduced our prices is we haven't got this month's rent covered yet, like the 140. So I think what we'll do at the beginning of every month, we'll like have the prices. Yeah, we'll have the prices cheap. Once we've then got enough to cover the month's payment, we'll put the prices back up to what they normally would be.
Mm-hmm.
So if you guys are tempted to donate to get the ranks, I call it donate. It technically is a donation, but it's sort of like a payment for the rank. Because like, a lot of times donations just like you giving the money to someone for no reason, if that makes any sense. But with this,
for us, you're actually getting
yeah,
rewarded.
you're actually getting, and it's a one-off payment, which I know supposedly
Not
you
monthly.
don't use in America the term, but it basically means you pay once and then you never have to pay again. So for as long as the server's up and running, you will have that rank, if that makes sense. And yeah, I mean, then once we've got our month's like I said, the month's rent covered, we'll put the prices back up. And if you want to go and donate, then you're going to have to pay a bit more money. So if you wanted to donate, do it soon. Or at the moment, at the time I'm putting this video up, our prices are at their lowest they've ever been because we really need this month's rent covered. I mean, is there anything you want to add on to the terms of how they actually go about the donation and like how they actually do it?
Just go to our website, mastercrafters.maxform.org. We are working on getting an actual just like mastercrafters.com, something like that. But go to the website. You should see on the right a donate button. You can use PayPal or any major credit card to donate. You don't need to have PayPal. You would just choose like the continue other option, whatever. And when you donate, make sure to add a note to the transaction. It should be like add a note, add message to seller, something like, or person, whatnot. And add the note and put your Minecraft name in there. If you donate for admin or anything above, we do have to talk to you on Skype or something along those lines before we promote you because there are several rules that you need to know. But make sure to put your Minecraft in-game name in a note on the thing because we've had people who've donated, we have no idea who it is, and they never got rewarded their rank in-game because they never replied to my emails or anything. So
So yeah, basically just make sure you put your name because like especially if you're paying for admin and stuff, we're going to want to know that you're capable of being an admin and you're not just someone whose parents have given them $300 and they want to go and spend it and you have no intention of actually being nice on the server. And as much as we want money, we actually want nice admin. So if you ever actually play on our server, but you don't have any intention of donating, but still check out the actual admins in the sense of talk to them, ask them for help, report any grief or any problems, because we don't sort of do like a vigorous test to see whether the person could be an admin or not, but we do make sure that they're capable of doing their job. So all of our admins are admin qualified, if that makes any sense. Especially at the moment, one off the top of my head, Backspace, or Squiggly Line Back is his nickname in the game. He's probably one of the best admins in the game because he does his job properly. He doesn't sit on the server at the moment and build a load of stuff and go and kill people in PvP. He generally sits there, I don't know what to do, I think he'll like listen to a bit of music or something, and then if anyone says his name, he'll go and help you. If it's anything out of his control, he'll come and speak to me and Anthony, because obviously we're trying to run our business at the same time. And then he'll come directly to us, we'll help him, and he helps you, and then that's the problem fixed.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want to be to that degree where you can actually come and have a chat with us on Skype at any time, then you have to donate first. We're not just going to sort of add random members from the server, because if we're getting 50, 60 people a night and we're trying to have group discussions with all the other admins and owners, we can't just be having random chats with little kids on the server who have no intention of donating.
Yeah, or spam the hell out of our Skypes with random shit that we don't need, like, to know.
Another thing, I know we've put it in the rules and stuff, but if you've been griefed, if someone's stolen one block, it's not technically grief. I know it is, But
We do 5 or
just
more as our
yeah,
rule.
it's 5 or more. If it's like one big block of diamond block, well, you probably shouldn't have diamond block to start with. And if you decided to put 90 or diamonds towards it, you'd be stupid because you should probably be putting them towards tools and armor. But if it's something of relative value, then go and tell the admins. Don't come directly to us. But if your whole house has been destroyed or you've lost everything, then speak to the
Mind you,
admins and they'll come to
you're
us.
allowed to get grief in PvP. So if it's in PvP, there's nothing we're gonna do.
Yeah, exactly. If you're in PvP, the idea of PvP is to survive and sort of be the king in the sense where you're advised to go and kill people and grief their house and steal their stuff because that's what you need to do to survive in the PvP. Because yeah, that's what PvP is.
Yeah.
Is there anything else you want to add about the server itself or the actual hosting company or anything?
Well, if any of you are a web designer and you don't mind donating your time, try and make us a decent website, we'll be very happy.
Yeah, if you could get us a relatively decent website and we both agree, by both I mean me and Andy both agree that we like it, and you actually do play in our hosting in our Mastercrafters, I don't think there'd be a problem with giving you a slightly better rank. If you do take your time out to help us, we'll help you.
That's for mastercrafterserverhosting.com, not our Mastercrafters website for our server. It's actually for the hosting because at the moment our site isn't the greatest.
Yeah, exactly. We want the site to attract new customers in to come and join and actually buy packages from us. Just including the video at the moment. Occasionally there's a load of black screens. It's because I've not put the clips together well enough, and there's like a 5-second gap because I've not dragged them close because I'm just stupid like that. So just wait for them. Just wait for them black screens to go. I mean, there's only like 2 minutes left on this video anyway, so let's just finish this out. Regarding at the moment, we've just purchased. I know you sort of slightly mentioned it at the beginning. We purchased an expensive dedicated at the moment to put some of our current clients already on. Now, what we used to do is host them on small VPSs. They was all on different VPSs throughout the world or throughout America.
And it was just a bit of a clusterfuck.
Yeah, exactly. We'd have to set up everything on all the different machines, different IP addresses. You could get unlucky and have someone. I'm not saying, for example, Facebook was someone to that standard where they're literally taking up all the CPU usage, and you're just completely screwed because, well, everyone's taken over. So now we've bought ourselves a big dedicated 16 gig of RAM, really good processor. We're going to group a couple of people onto it, and then that means everyone's close to each other. We know what CPU speeds will be running at. We'll know who's using up what amount, and then it makes it a lot easier. So what we need is a couple more people to rent from us, and then we have enough money in advance to go and buy another big dedicated server. Because obviously that's what we inevitably want to be. We want to be buying big dedicateds, our own big dedicateds, and then renting out our own, opposed to renting out small VPSs of other smaller companies, if that makes any sense.
Yeah, and companies of lower quality just because we need to save cost type of thing, and that's where we ran into those issues.
Yeah, and the problem was because we went for a lower costing VPSs at the time. Their actual their internet itself wasn't the greatest.
No, it's just people for the VPSs. The people that were on the other rest of the VPS, they put too many people on it, basically.
Yeah, so the thing is with us, because we're getting 16 gig of RAM, we're not going to put, say, like 4 people all at 4 gig, because we need RAM left for the actual, operating system, and we'll always give sort of like 1 or 2 gig of RAM completely free as well for us, so you won't really be maxing out the server anyway, if that makes any sense.
Yeah, and if you want to upgrade your RAM or whatnot, we could just simply change it, and you have more RAM type of thing.
Yeah, and it won't be like $90 to do just a small upgrade. We're not going to be expensive like that. We're not going to be annoying. Because we're still starting out to some degree. We've got like 8 or 9 7 clients, but yeah, we're still expanding. That's why we're not charging like $30 for our smallest price. That's why we actually.
Should we also mention who we're an affiliate with now?
Yeah, go on. You can explain that a bit.
We are now an official affiliate with beastnode.com. .org, I think, whichever one. They are a very good hosting site, so if you don't trust us, you don't want to buy a package from us, we don't have something to suit you, go ahead and click the affiliate link in the description. It'll just take you to the BeastNode main page, and you can do whatever you want from there. Basically, what that means is we're kind of semi-partnered with BeastNode now, not officially, whatnot. It helps them, they help us, type of thing.
Yeah, basically, if we give them customers, we get a small couple of percent. What's the word? money from them. Let's say someone
Very,
comes.
very small
It is.
percentage.
It's like what 2 or 3%, I think it is. So let's say
Yeah.
someone comes and rents a $10 server from them. We literally get a couple of like 20 odd cent each month,
Yeah.
which is nothing. But we want them to grow, and therefore it should lead us to grow. All right. Well, the video's done now. So I think that's cool. I think that's everything we got.
Check out all the links in the description.
Yeah, check out every link in the description. Sub to our channels, like the video, come onto the actual Mastercrafters Minecraft, and that's it for me. See you later, everyone.
Peace.